Hello. At Class on Mars, we try to be as carbon negative as we can, and together with Microsoft, thanks to the initiative AI for Earth, we created a report regarding air pollution in two major Polish cities, Krakow and Warsaw. Enjoy. Recently, Class on Mars released a report regarding air pollution. This report was created thanks to the AI for Earth program by Microsoft. Thanks to this program, this report was created and wouldn't exist otherwise, probably. So the report focuses on air pollution in two major Polish cities, namely Warsaw and Krakow. So let's get to the first page. You can operate either by the upper pane or the arrows on the side. So the first page, forecast, focuses on PM10 and PM2.5 pollution. We can see the pollution for today. For this is the average for the next 24 hour for PM10 and PM2.5. We also show the average for Poland, just to compare if you want. And lower we have the table with forecasts for the next days. Keep in mind that this particular prediction for today, for the next 24 hours, is most accurate. The next day are a bit less accurate, but hopefully we'll let you know more or less how it's gonna be. We can switch between Warsaw and Krakow, so we have the same tables and charts here. Just the values change. On the right side, we have historical prediction together with the mean error. So let's say that tomorrow the PM10 will be around 50, but we know that our prediction has plus minus 10 PM10 points of error, so it may be between 40 and 60. Next page is regarding weather and air quality in the last years. So when we built our model, we saw that the variable that impacts the PM level the most is minimum daily temperature. So the higher the temperature is, the lower the PM10 is. So we have the impact, we have the revalence, and we have the variable name. And the same goes for PM2.5. Then on the bottom we have 4 charts. We can see the trends in PM10 pollution, in minimal temperature, in wind speed, and cloud cover over the last years. And if you're interested in more data, then click on more weather data, and you will have a table with everything that we had. And same as before, if you want to see the data for Krakow, then just click on Krakow, and you will see the information about Krakow. So going on, we have the prediction model comparison. When we created the report, we built a lot of models that one of them was finally chosen. But on the way, we created a lot of models. Some were good, some were bad, and in here you can see some of the models that we used, their average measurement error, and R square if it's applicable. And if you're interested what the data and the model is, then on the bottom you have a legend that will tell you what it's about. Going on, we have a data sheet that will tell you what data we used, what were the sources, how did it look like. So we have a numerical features overview, we have feature distribution by target, we have a correlation between the variables, we have a volume chart to show you how did the models perform. And last but not least, we have the ROC curve and confusion matrix for the models that we're choosing. So hopefully you will know how to use the report now. And if you are interested, please don't hesitate to ask questions on both LinkedIn and our site.